Mate, I've got to be honest, it didn't just meet my expectations, it blew me away.
Privacy and security was a big aspect for us. Since we've had this fence put up, it's been silence. It's been great.
I'm really impressed by modular walls because they are panels. So once you've got your 2 poles in, it literally just slides in once it's cut to size, making it super, super easy.
It was just like, wow, it's just coming together so fast. 6 hours, it was all done.
From product to service, it's just quality.
We wanted to have privacy, we wanted to have something beautiful for our beautiful house, and we want the safety so our children didn't go in the road. So I just called my beautiful friend Barry, and the friends of his friends and my friends. So modular walls was the perfect choice.
Seriously, sitting here and reflecting on what we've achieved, I wouldn't get anyone else to do it.
And well, look at this. Barry saying, long story short, looks $1 million.